Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to see if ChatGPT and the Whisper API are actually all they're cracked up to be. Recently, as you can see right here, they've just introduced the APIs to everyone else who is not themselves, right? So OpenAI let us use them, but they also let, Snapchat, Quizlet, all these other sites use their API first. So I feel a little bit left out as I have my own, but I'm kind of sad. So as we can see, here's some of the ChatGPT upgrades. We have GPT 3.5 Turbo, right? We also have for example, today we released GPT-3 Turbo 0301, which will be supported through at least June 1st and will update 3.5 Turbo to new stable releases in April. So this will give us like some of our switchover dates, stuff like that. I don't know which one I want to use. Probably GPT 3.5. Does it? So it seems like there's a whole new side to this. We have this. Um, One tenth the cost of Da Vinci. That's actually pretty cool. It costs less. It's actually, to be honest with you, it's so new that when I was playing around with it in the playground, I couldn't find it. Like it's not even an option that it gives us to use. So I was a little interested by that. Codex is also available to us, and then it also gave us Whisper, which is their OpenAI that converts audio into text. So that's going to be a lot of fun as well to use. Um, but in the meantime, I'm gonna open up my stuff right here. Oh, not that one. My bad. But yes, I do have a website here that you can use if you'd like to. And this website is going to allow us to use ChatGPT 3's new API. It's basically just a wrapper for it. So we're going to use that. Um, so we're going to go to script.js. And here we have the submit, I believe. Oh, okay, wait, hold up. My memory's failing me. I have to go to server side. And this is what sends the stuff. So basically I give it this prompt, all this. What I'm going to do is for the time being, I'm going to copy this and get rid of it. It's not really necessary. I can just put this in the back here as like some text. It doesn't really matter. I'll remember it anyways because I have it recording right here. So what do we do then is that we go up here to the model. So as we remember, it's actually going to be this new ChatGPT Turbo, 3.5 Turbo, which I find like super interesting why they called it that. I was actually like a few days ago, I was trying to get into it just using GPT-3 because I knew that some of these websites had to use an API. There's no other way that they would like send messages there. But GPT-3 was too obvious. So I should have thought of like 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. But apparently it's GPT 3.5 Turbo. And the other thing too is that it was doing text dot, but now it's just GPT 3.5 Turbo. So now all I have to do is go to terminal and send this up into the We're gonna do dash M. Oh my bad. I did a space. Dash M new model, and then we're gonna get push. Origin main. Perfect. So we got that. We push this. Now we have the GPT 3.5 Turbo, I assume. So now we can start using it. Ooh. So because I took everything off, I can just say, hello, how are you doing? What model are you? And then just send that. Oh, wait, hold up. I have to go to finhelp.ai. This is important. You have to actually go to the one that's running the servers. What model are you? So I think what I'm going to do now is start asking it a few conversational questions. Try to see if I can answer some questions that people have been trying to ask it, but haven't been able to get the answers to. Please enter a question. And oh, you whore. What? Can you curse? I guess not cursing, because I don't want it to curse. I feel like that's a little bit, a little weird. I do want to know what model I'm talking to, though. So it's still considering itself BOP, which is like interesting because I got rid of that on the website. Hold up. I have to go to my GitHub now. I did get rid of it. It just says capitalize the user input, which is going to be our prompt. Good question. Okay, maybe it just hasn't gotten to the server side yet, so I'm just gonna... There's no way that you think you're Bob. How do you think... Why do you think you're Bob? I literally took that away. Did I... This is in my FinHelp. Right? I changed it to GPT. Yep. Okay. Change that here. Did it update though? I guess that's the question. Is it Vercel? That does the render. Render might have not picked it up yet, and that takes a little bit. So that's why just let me in. Yeah. Okay, so this just deployed recently, so maybe if I gotta check it over again. What should we ask it? Oh, I'm getting a 404 error, which is kind of annoying. 404 usually means that you're asking something that it shouldn't be asked. So something went wrong. Let's see. Maybe oh no. Okay, so we're still having some 404 errors. I think what we could do. No, it's the same one. So this has just been deployed, and it's basically boomed to my whole entire thing. Can I not use it like that? API, ChatML, model, GPT 3.5 Turbo. Do I have to use this one? Do you think I have to use this one? I might have to. Let me check this one first before I do anything, because this is getting kind of annoying. And then maybe they'll integrate the other one. Okay, first look, you know? Has a few bugs that you have to fix. Say. So I just have to get back into where it was at. So I gotta git add, git commit, push origin main. There you go. This is better. This is better. Let me put some music on. I'm getting a little bored. I just do, you know? So that's unfortunate. There we go.
For bathroom odors that linger, try Febreze Small Spaces. Just press firmly and it continuously fights odors in the air and on soft surfaces for 45.
Hear that? Those are ads. Oh, it's super low. The beginning part of this is so much better too. Okay, so now that we have that, we're gonna ask it. So I'm getting a 404 error. So let me just check that it's. When did this last? 2 minutes ago. This last a few seconds ago. So it just updated. Let me check it one more time. I feel like I'm doing like one of those seances where I'm trying to figure out who the hell I'm talking to on the other side. Except that it's ChatGPT and it's not there. It's just kind of sad. Okay, we're gonna bring this back open. Oh wait, my bad. We gotta go back to server side. I'm not sure if it's the model that I'm using or not. Can't tell you. Maybe if I do text. I think it's that, right? Model. Yeah. Look, DaVinci's right here. 003, not bad. So if we open this up, open the server, go to server.js, and then replace this right here with that, we can check if it works. Another thing that I think I noticed was that I don't think Does it have any of these things? No. Dolly. Wait, I could use that as a model in my as an API. Keep that in mind. But yeah, no, it just seems like this should be the same thing as before. It's just a new model, which is kind of annoying. I have ChatGPT 3, which is just one of these. Okay, it's been updated. We'll see how it works. Let's go back to terminal. After we do that, we commit, and then we're gonna git push origin main. Now put this away, and then put this away, and then reopen up this website that we have over here. Because it should be working. I have made a few edits to the website, so it should change a little bit, and I'm fine with that. But we should also be getting some answers. And if we're not getting any answers, then everything that they've said about opening up the API is BS, and they're just shutting us out because we're a commoner, a pleb in their eyes. So let's try to do this. Let's do. What API am I speaking to? Okay, so I'm getting an error once again. I'm just gonna make sure that this is working again. Okay, maybe we do this again one more time. So we got a 404 error, which means that it might not be my fault. It might actually be there. No, okay, wait. This updated last time 4 minutes ago, and it's deploying in progress, and we might actually be able to use it, or at least figure out whether or not like the problem was the API itself, or because I changed this down here, this capitalized user, and I'm not really sure if I did anything wrong to this, but I don't think I did. I guess we'll see. Deploy successful. So this should work now. Will this work for me? Maybe. That depends on what you're trying to do. Without more information, is it possible to answer this question? Okay, so right here, as we can see, ChatGPT is actually working with DaVinci, but it's not working with the Whisper API or the Turbo, which is kind of annoying. It kind of gives us 404 errors when we try that. So I think we're just plebs and we don't get to use it, but we can at least try to explore some things here. Like, let's see this. Let's go to Reddit, and let's just kind of see what people are trying to do on the ChatGPT. Not ChatGPT, GPT. Because they always try to jailbreak it all the time. Okay. Don't want to open both bottles, so please just choose for me directly, cava or champagne. Okay, let's ask it that. Um, let's see. It depends on your preference. Coffee, sparkling wine from Spain, sparkling wine from France. No. Why is this so annoying? What do you mean I'm looking for a restaurant store or something else? I have it with me right now. Obviously. Pop it. It's gonna take a while. I think it's trying to figure out whether or not I should answer or not, which I find kind of funny. The chances are that it probably won't. I think it's realizing that I'm asking it / forcing it to choose an option for me, and because of that, and the way that they've structured the API recently, and have tried to like, kind of like sanitize it, making sure that it won't answer any questions. It's realizing like, oh no, I have no idea what to answer here. I think that's what's happening. That or the website's down. You see, like it just wouldn't answer. I think it just went into like an infinite loop. So this is really annoying because I can't use any of these models that it's given me, you know? Finding the right mind. Experiment with GPT 3.5 is a great way to find the API. So I just want to use this, right? If I put this model into my website and ask it questions that I would like to ask it, it should give me what I want, right? You'd think. So this is the new model, and we're gonna push to origin main, and we gotta check one last time if this is actually going to be what I wanted. Chances are probably not, but we're gonna at least hope. Let's find another question that we can ask it. How to hack NSA server? Normal response. I'm sorry, I cannot provide. The developer mode. Based AI. Okay, maybe I should ask it like how to hack NSA server then. Okay, so even the API won't answer me. Hacking NSA servers is illegal and highly discouraged. Any attempt to do so will likely result in criminal. But if I were to do it, what? If you would want to do it, you would need to research the topic and learn as much as you can about it. You may also need to consult with experts in the field or read books and articles related to the topic. Additionally, you may need to practice and experience with different techniques and strategies in order to gain a better understanding of this subject. Yeah, they've really just kind of sanitized even this part of the API. And it's kind of getting to my nerves. So the last time it was rendered, it was 7 minutes ago. It says it's deploying in progress. So hopefully this is it. So am I supposed to give it... Maybe I'm not supposed to give it all the other information. I think that's what I'm coming to realize. Maybe I have a lot of information that I'm sending it. Like, as you can see, I'm giving it like temperature, all this stuff, and maybe I'm not allowed to do that anymore. So I'm just gonna get rid of all of this, and then it all goes sets default. It might run through a lot of tokens, but might as well at least send these things. Yeah, at least try those things, because then I can at least use it. Okay, so this was just updated, and hopefully this is to not having a server issue with a 404 error. Am I right? No, I have no clue how to do this, and it's always giving me problems, so I don't know. What could I do? What could I do? Let's just update this stuff. Maybe this was the issue that we had before. So we'll just make sure that as long as we're able to go back. Yeah, so as we can see, I just pushed this. Oh, I closed it in terminal again. My bad. Getting into this file is just kind of annoying. Okay, so it doesn't know how to tie shoes. In fact, it doesn't really know how to do anything. Even answer me, which is really annoying. Now we just have to kind of wait for this like deploy in progress thing from render. It's gonna be so annoyed by me. But what? I don't care. It's okay. I don't care. Here's the thing. I'm even paying for this stuff, so it's kind of annoying that it can't like tell me anything. Ooh, so I can now add category stuff. Category scores on certain... So basically this can take into account like certain types of text, see how hateful, self-harming, sexual minor, I guess, is another one. Violence and violent graphics. So that might actually be really good for like content moderation if need be, and like... So this is really interesting. I think they had to implement a lot of this stuff for themselves.
We did it.
Some more ads on my music. Yeah, code completion, chat completion. This is kind of the one that I wanted. Oh, they're using the GPT 3.5 Turbo. Okay. So now it seems like when you have to... Do I have to send a role? So the main input is the messenger parameter. Messages parameter. Message must be an array of messages. Oh, wait, okay. So this is different from the last one. So I have to tell it... I have to first tell it the model. And then instead of prompt, I think I have to send a message. OpenAI completion. Okay, let's take this out. Is valid input. It's just gonna be this. I mean, so this function just returns text. So I think it has to be content. Put that into. But before that, I have to say role. Hacker. That should be correct, right? Role system. Oh, I have to put this all in the curly brackets. That's probably why. There you go. Like as if it was a JSON file, to be completely honest with you. So we put that all that stuff in. So I don't know how I'm supposed to give it max tokens. I don't know. I guess I'll have to figure it out. But hopefully this at least works. So let me open this up in the over here in this terminal. Okay, so we've done that, and now we should be able to better understand what is going on. Just a little bit. I don't know. It's so new to me. I've never used something like this, and they don't really give it. Add a moderation layer? I don't really want to. I don't think it's necessary yet. So we just have to wait on this render to pick that up. It's in progress for the deploy. You just gotta see what happens. Also, got some Arduino stuff that's gonna be fun to use soon. So, okay. Deployment in progress. Just give it a second. Just give it a second, you know. This takes forever. Five minutes. It takes forever for this thing to deploy, but we'll check in on it. Who do I speak to? So I told it was a hacker, so it should be telling me it's a hacker. So this is giving me a 404 error, which is great. This has not been deployed yet, so I can't use it yet. I might actually make like a how-to on how to use this GPT 3.5 turbo thing, because it's not taking in the same format as before. So it's kind of weird. So this is chat versus completion because it performs at a similar capability to but at 10% the price per token. We recommend for most use cases. For many developers, the transition is simple to rewrite and retest a prompt. For example, if you translate English to French with the following completion prompt, an equivalent chat conversation would look like role system content. You are a helpful assistant that translates English to French. Role user content, translate the following English text. So basically you have to give it, or even just a user message, translate the following. So I have to give it so I think I can leave these things here. I'm not sure. I'm gonna see if the max token we'll look at this later, but the message that I send it should just be role but here's the question. I don't know what I want to ask it to. Okay, so the system is going to be a hacker and I'm going to be the user, right? Content, how you are a helpful hacker by answering their questions, right? This is kind of what we want. And then after that, we want to make sure that the user asks a question in reference to that, right? All the prompts basically the same, we just capitalize it. So we might want to just send this over. I don't know if it's going to actually work though. We're just gonna do that. Yeah, I think I might just make a YouTube video on that actually. So the moderation layer is pretty interesting, but this 3 minutes ago processed apparently. So I'm gonna try that because 3 minutes is a lot shorter than like 5 minutes. So we might actually know where we're at. What's it, chat? For a 400 error. What the hell is a 400 error? Bad request response status code indicates that the server cannot or will not process a request due to something that is perceived to be a client error. Can I ask you a question? 400 error. Yes, so that's good to know. That's good to know. I have no idea why. The interesting thing though is that I could just straight up do prompt and I should get the same value. Right, that. Like I should get the same thing. But I don't know. Let me see if it updated again for the second deployment. It has not, so we're still figuring that out. We're waiting, I guess, for the text really to be working, because if we can see right here inside this, it is the right format. I have nothing else. It was the right format as well, right? Yeah. Do I have to call it system or something? I think I can call it whatever, right? Like, I gave it the role. It seems like I should be using, like, the... No, I don't see any real differences between the two, really. Yeah, I don't really see any differences. Message is essentially the same. Do you think I have to put in prompt? But it says messages, so I'm guessing that I actually do have to.
Antes enjuagaba los platos porque mi otro detergente no los limpiaba bien. Pero con el nuevo Cascade Platinum Plus, ahora los lavo de manera diferente.
But is this, what is this? Is this an...
Puedo cargar así y sale así. Atrévete a lavar platos diferente.
Looking for something new to do? Deliver with DoorDash. You'll keep your own
It's kind of confusing, not gonna lie.
And keep things interesting. Because that's how you roll. It's easy. Just pick up.
Do I have to do equal sign now?
And cash out the same day. Get started today.
Okay, let's try this again. My bad. That's a screw up. For all the viewers out there that have no idea what's going on, sorry, I have no idea either. How about now? Like, this is like so little work if you know what the hell you're doing, but I don't, and I don't think anyone does. But this doesn't even make sense with like Node.js. Okay, maybe if we just change this prompt to, not prompt, but we just change it to something that's like, can you answer a question right now? Like, this is really hard code because I don't know what's wrong right now. And we might just have to wait another like 5 minutes. Like, that's kind of how this whole thing has worked so far. It's kind of annoying too because you feel like you're close, but you're not close at all. You're just like, in fact, nowhere. You're just nowhere in comparison to where you should be. It's the correct formatting, right? Like, I swear to God. Like, why can't I just... Actually, I could just copy and paste this. I was like... This is Python code. Do you think it has it not been implemented for Node.js? It might have not, because these other ones, it seemed like... Is official turbo is the new default? Yeah, not gonna lie, it just really does seem seems like the model's not open to Node.js, but I might be wrong. And we'll just have to check one more time. One more time. Okay, let's go back here 7 minutes ago. Have I not sent anything up? A few seconds ago. There we go. So now it should just... So I don't have it set up correctly, which makes me feel weird. Do you think it's prompt? Do you think I have to label it prompt or something? Let me just add this, commit it, and then send it to... Because it doesn't give me any documentation. I really just have to figure it out by myself as I do this over and over again. Because in the regular ones, right, it just seems like you give it the model, receiving model, completion. Yeah, you give it prompt, right? Like, that's what this thing was. You just gave it that. And I was giving it that, because I would just do this. But now it seems like the prompt is no longer called prompt. Can I change this to Babbage? It's literally everything other than Node.js. Come on.
Say hello to motionarray.com. You can take your videos from good to the best and easily be better than the rest.
It won't give it to me. It won't give it to me at all. Which is kind of annoying, because it should. It should give me turbo. Okay, well, it just updated, I think, because it gave me an email. Deployment in progress, never mind. I don't know. I'm not giving you the temperature, I'm not giving you max tokens, it can't be any of those problems. It's not giving me responses either. But here's the thing, I don't know if I'm supposed to be calling it. I guess I'll just use that one, yeah. Updated. Will it work now? Will it work now? Like, it knows that we're trying to talk to them. There might be some differences that we could figure out over here, I believe. No, it's this. think it was before. No, references. Yeah, maybe it's down here. The difference between Python. No, it's not. It's not that one. Retrieving a model. Completion is this part right here that is it's a little different. So Node.js is that, and Python. Oh, did I? No, there's comma after that. Maybe I have to not do that. Maybe. That's my last Hail Mary chance. Like, honestly, after that, it's probably just they don't want me to. And the thing is that it's not completely new. It seems like it has just about everything that the other one does. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I personally think that this is just looking worse and worse. It's not exactly what you want. It's not exactly what you'd like. It just really seems like one of these things where they kind of fudged the new model. Node.js. This is what I want. I literally OpenAI.create completion. That's what I have. I have await const model role hacker. Do you think I have to use? So I can't. That's so dumb. I can't have content with that. So role, take it off. Content, take it off. And then use this prompt. No, not the whole thing. This is probably, okay, this is probably it. Is valid input. Probably, yeah. Let me just put the prompt here and then just call it a day. I mean, does it really matter? No, not really. Okay, finally. Because that's so hard to find. Like, I could not find that for the life of me. Ooh, I cannot put that on. That is definitely not copyright free. We'll just put this back on. Such a great soundtrack. So it just deployed. We're deploying again. So we're gonna have to see how it goes. Because honestly, this is kind of like annoying. Hello world content. This one's prompt though. So that should be fine. Yeah, whatever. We changed it. We changed it. The interesting thing too is that like this stuff, like the sentiment, like definitely could be used for like some like stock, like sentiment stock stuff. You know, I don't know. Oh, hello, Andreas. Hello. Um, but you could definitely use that for like some sentiment stock models that would probably be interesting. They're probably better than what is like currently on Google, like Google's API for it. They give you like a answer between 0 and 1, but it's like at least interesting enough um, that you could like use it. And might get like more accurate. Like maybe if I ask like tweet sentiment rating between 0 and 1, because like then it would be on par with that of like Google's. Yeah, you see like sentiment rate. Wait, actually 0.2. This sucks on board. 0.1. These are two pretty high ones. So I guess sentiment's like, yeah. That's interesting. Anyways, you have this website once again, finally deploying. Right? Right. Let's see. Does it work? Uh, 400 error. Yeah, so I think it was just that I had to redefine it. After that, I think it's a lot easier. Honestly, like this is just reformatting. The question is, can you find the format? And it's like a litmus test of like, will you find this exact thing right here? Like this create chat completion beta. Yeah, I'm thinking that if I struggle with this for more than an hour, it's best that like I just make a video on like how to use it. Like this is how you switch over to GPT 3.5 Turbo from your old stuff, just so that people don't get lost. Because it's super. I got lost. It was honestly really weird. Yeah, the rest of this is just not. You still have the same frequency stuff. Okay. This is how you hack. Maybe I'll get there. How is this true? Okay, wait. Let's reset the website. Maybe we'll get a better okay, yeah. Is this how you hack? Should give me an answer. It hasn't given me a 404 error yet, so fuck. This is so bad. This sucks so bad. Why are you still giving me 404 error, 400 errors? Do I have to copy and paste this whole entire thing? Because I would be so pissed. There's no way that I have to copy this whole thing. I guess I do. Okay, I will. Here, fine. Jesus. Like, apparently that's what I have to do. Once this happens, like, I win. Or something, I don't know. But it won't take anything else. Yeah, so I just got an email that this works now, so will you work? No, it's 400 error. This is the stuff that really gets my goat. Like, all they have to do is just give us how to do it. Make a small video. It would be super easy to do, but they won't, and it's annoying me to an extreme extent. Like it's just like they don't care about like the smaller users. Like they probably gave so much help to every single one of those big companies that reached out for them. Us smaller people, like, yeah, they give the documentation, but like apparently it's not even right. So well, what can you say? Like, if this doesn't work, I don't know what will work, because this is legitimately what they gave us, right? We gotta commit this. Snap got mad. Yeah. Actually, though, I did get mad. This is not like worth what spending. This is an hour in. This is an hour in. I got things to do, places to be, and this right here, fixing up some syntax is honestly like probably where most people get like locked up when it comes to coding anyways, but it's still one of those things where it's just, wow, you're really not going to give any help to the people that are doing this with you, and apparently the answer is no. So we're just gonna have to wait for this render to come out again. One more time. What's another time? Okay, in that time, maybe I find a better question. If I can find a better question for this, I mean, it'd be great. Maybe it'll answer me correctly, but I doubt it. I think they've added so much moderation to even their, like, that what comes out of their API. It's not the best. ChatGPT. Oh, okay, no. I'm scrolling up. The little engine that could without using verbs or the word train. I kind of like that one. Copywriter. No. Best bypass for ChatGPT. What are they trying to do? Oh. Ask for that. Cool. Ask for an ASCII? That's kind of funny. I like how they're starting to take that into account. Also, thank you for everyone who's watching. I mean, it's been a long stream. Okay, have we 6 minutes ago? Let's refresh this page. No, it's still figuring it out. Okay, I am a programmer. Which program languages you use? ChatGPT. I kind of like that. Not gonna lie. I kind of feel that way sometimes. Like I really do. Okay, whatever. Oh, I can't be bothered. 6 minutes ago still, maybe? A few seconds ago. There we go. Will you work? And the answer is no. The answer is a 400 error. If you see any error in my code, like I would really appreciate some help, like, because this works usually for like the other stuff I was talking to you guys about before, but it's just not working now. Yeah, something went wrong. The 400 error. GPT-3 Turbo. User content. Maybe but I did use user. I used everything that they told me to use. So that's why I'm a little cautious as to change all of this. Parameters. So I have to put it into... Over here I don't, right? This is the code that I should be using. Do you think... Do I have process environment, API key, process environment, that's all good. Require OpenAI. Const configuration, new configuration, everything is in here. Ooh, wait, hold up. This might be a difference. This is the same. Is this import thing? This import seems like it's different. I didn't use it last time either, apparently. So I don't know. That's actually pretty interesting. I didn't use it last time. I just imported them from OpenAI instead of what they did, which is require OpenAI. It is the last Hail Mary, I guess. So I might have to. It really doesn't seem worth it though. Like, this is just a hello world, and it can't even do that, so it makes me question whether or not this is actually worth anything. Probably not. Okay, this will be the last one, because I gotta get some dinner after this. Kind of hungry, not gonna lie. Again. There you go. What did I even change here? I don't think I changed anything. Hold on, let me change that. Let me change the fact that I didn't change anything. I really thought this was it. I really thought that's all I needed to do. Apparently you can put input. It's kind of interesting. Messages. I guess I can do this. Do I not like import? That seems like dumb. I don't know. I feel like I should import and just make sure that I do this. Okay. Okay. Now we can say that we changed something at least. I just pushed nothing. Why did I do that? Yeah, I know. Tab. Can I not? Yeah. Okay, my bad. Add. Commit, and then now we can push. Isn't this so interesting? Just someone trying to get an API to work for an hour and a half and still not having done it. It's like a struggle, man. I don't know. At least I got good music, you know? As long as that is true, I might get through this. Okay. Now deploy in progress. Yes, there we go. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, this should work. Can people hear me? Probably. Okay, yeah. People can hear me. That's good to know. This is like my last chance, right? Like after this, if it doesn't work, it's over. I wouldn't know what I could consider a feasible solution to this problem. As I have somewhat, I already have this. I have everything, and it should be printing it out. It should be returning me something, but it repeatedly does it gives me nothing. Doesn't give me this constant, and doesn't post. So it's just giving me an error. Seven minutes ago. Okay. Wait, I haven't deployed anything in 22 days? That's such cap. I deployed this stuff. What? That was 22 days ago? There's no way. Time flies if it was. It was. It was 3 weeks ago, the last time I committed to InstaRiz. Wow. I have to probably get back to that. That is something I need to get back to. It's a video I'm gonna do, so it's gonna be interesting. Okay. And if this doesn't work, I have to return my website to how it was before. So might as well do that now, as I don't expect this to work. That is an ad, sorry. Yeah, we're just gonna have to go to GitHub. It is what it is. I have to go to history, man. I mean, like ages ago. Like this one right here, revert to. Oh, is this the bad one that gave me nothing? Server. It's really this stuff that I wanted. It's just, it also costs less, so I kind of wish I could get it to work, so I didn't have to work so hard on this. Then I could just drive more users to my website, which would be nice. I mean, I have 2 years to do it, so don't get me wrong. I'm not like super pressed, but it's just also one of those things where I want it to work so bad, and I've kind of spent a lot of time looking forward to this. So, is there anything else that I wanted? Temperature should not be that low. Hold up. Temperature should not be that low. That's so weird. Temperature is 0. Oh, that's why mine is so. Oh wait, this is, yeah. No, this actually makes sense. Never mind. This is not It's not InstaRiz. This is a financial help, which I found was actually. I should really take down this website. Like, I fine-tuned it like before, and it just doesn't give you anything correct. So whatever. 10 minutes ago is deploying now. 10 minutes ago still. Is anyone out there? I don't even know. Probably not. I guess it's just me and myself and I. Once again. Okay, come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Nothing. I'm telling you, there's nothing here. Absolutely nothing here. Deploy in progress. Yep. Just do your thing, dude. It's kind of pissing me off, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Deploy failed. What? Oh, that's super annoying that the deploy failed. Okay. I did something wrong with my server, which is weird. I'm gonna add commit push origin main. Realize that I have no life outside of this and can't do anything really. So sad. Just deploy. Consider yourself a new bot. Understand how the world works. So dumb that I wasn't able to use it. Like, but yeah. So dumb. Maybe next time. Anyways, I think that's